You guys want to sleep? Oh God! Watch out, guys! Guys! Oh!
Damn!
There's all of them. They're coming. Still following us?
I got one.
I'm coming. I see him. He's on the tree. There's one on the tree. Kill him.
Where?
Kill him.
Kill him.
Kill him.
I got him.
Oh my god.
Hey, kill it. Jared, get it. Kill it. Kill it.
I got him.
Kill it. Bro.
What is it? What is it?
Drop it. It's running.
My knife's not working, guys.
Guys, we're surrounded. We're surrounded. We're surrounded.
My knife's not working. Alright, we need to get out of here.
I need meds.
Why do you have that body?
Yeah, we eating good tonight, boys.
Okay, how do I make
Hey, don't hit my
spear?
boy. He's jumping my...
Alright. Hey,
How do I make a spear?
you gotta right click all the items.
I'm
click on
combining it, and then
the
what?
You gotta press the
Do the duct tape, and then you gotta right click on the gear.
Oh, I got it.
Alright. Hey, let's go.
Wait, I made a bow.
Oh shit. Hey, let's go up the mountain over here.
No, I don't want a bow.
Guys, they just hit Kelvin.
Where's Kelvin?
Where's Kelvin?
Hey!
Oh yeah, I'm almost dead.
Me too. Well, we make a fire and cook these guys?
Yeah.
Wait, hold on. Can I cut them?
Leaf
Try.
farmer.
It doesn't give me an option but to carry them.
What do you think? Can we cook these guys?
Should
Yeah.
be able to. Go from there.
Let's make this guy make us a fire.
Hey, I know how to make it.
You know how to make a fire?
Yeah.
Alright, then build us. I'm gonna build us a shelter.
Oh! I just ate an arm! I'm eating an arm!
Ew! How'd you do that?
I don't know. Someone cut off his arm and I just ate it. Hey! You're on fire! Nate, jump in the water! Jump in the water!
Oh man.
Oh yeah, look at this. Mm-hmm. Can I cut off his head?
Oh, if you hold Z, you set your spawn point.
Oh! Oh yeah.
Can I just pick him up and like put his whole
Body in there.
Bones.
Does anybody want to eat this part? Right here? The head.
The head? Yeah, give me that. Is it cooked?
It's
Oh.
cooking.
Is their fire broken?
Can we make Kelvin a warrior? What's up, Kelvin?
How do we do that?
Oh. Alright, for now, get us some sticks and drop it here.
We were cannibals on our first day.
How do we get more duct tape?
I think we gotta find more.
I don't know.
But I don't know if we can make them. I think we could.
Because
Someone's-
if we keep on killing these guys, we can make bone armor.
What?
Word. Where do I find? Where's the bones? Oh, it's over here. Bone armor. Oh yeah, I just need duct tape.
Damn, this game is super complex.
For now, we can just make leaf armor.
Oh, you
News
can
complex AF. Hey, who took my head?
Oh, here. It was rolling. It was rolling down the stream, so I decided to pick it up. Okay. You want your head?
Yeah, give it to me.
You want your head? You want this? you want this head?
Is it cooked?
It's cool.
Yeah.
Is it cooked?
Yeah, it's cooked.
Alright, give it to me.
I threw it on the ground.
Guys, look at Kelvin.
I don't see it.
Being a hard worker.
Where'd it go? I threw it on the ground.
I don't see it. Dude, seriously, why would you throw contaminate my cooked head like that?
Okay, here. Okay, how do I?
I think you can press E on me. Press E on me. I know.
E on you. Okay, ready?
OD.
Oh yeah. No.
Doesn't do that?
What is it doing?
What if I put it on the campfire again?
Oh wait, there's another head right here.
Oh, here we go. I can put the cooked head on the fire.
There we go. Thank you.
Hey!
Damn. I'm gonna eat it.
No, you threw it.
What?
You threw it. I picked it up.
How?
No.
I don't even know how to throw it. I just press I.
Alright, hold.
Alright,
try hold
guys.
Right click.
Should we go exploring?
Wait, what? What do you have?
How did you do that?
Oh.
I wrapped a bandage around the stick.
Torch. Oh, okay. Let me try that.
How do we make more tents? Can we sleep?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Let's go to sleep, guys. Oh,
Hold
on.
We should go
Guys, right here.
Oh.
You can drink water right here.
Wait. Is it contaminated? For real?
This. Oh wait, it is. We're getting sick, but
Yeah,
that's
that's
okay.
gotta be contaminated.
Okay.
Wait, I'm almost out of water too.
We need to get a pot or something and boil this shit.
Yeah,
we
what do
can
do
get a
with
rain
pot,
catcher.
Oh, how do we do that?
We gotta kill a turtle.
Oh.
I just drank.
Hold on.
I just drank.
Wait,
It's raining.
I'm gonna
Oh
eat.
no.
Make sure you guys eat too.
Alright, it's time to build some shelter, boys.
How do we do that?
We gotta cut down some trees.
What kind of?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh!
My bad. Behind you, Nate. Behind you.
This is stressful. This is really stressful.
Hey,
Kelvin.
they're coming.
Hold on.
Oh! How do we place this?
Watch
I
out!
got it. Oh my god, I'm so sorry.
He's killing
He's
Kelvin!
right here! Hey! Pull out your... Die!
They're killing Kelvin!
Yeah,
More
there you
food.
go. Alright, hold on.
How dare they attack Kelvin, dude? Is he dead?
No, he's running away. Look at him. He's sad now.
Well, he won't be sad anymore. We got little monkey over here.
Dang. Hold on. We can do this, guys. Let's switch mode. Watch out! Watch out! We need...
Yeah. I pieced him up.
You see that? I shot him right through the head.
Guys, there's more thingies.
Huh?
Where are you from, cuz? Hey, he got a sickle. He got a he got a weapon. They got weapons.
I died.
You died.
Help!
I'm coming. Oh, damn. He's strong. Jump him. Get him up. Kill him. Oh my god.
We got him.
Dude. Watch out. Kelvin? Kelvin!
Dying!
This was not a good place to make a base.
Yeah, we need to get out of here. Where's Canoa?
Fanoa. Can I eat
Where is
these?
he?
Oh my god.
They tied me up and they took me to their
Oh,
camp.
wait, let's go.
He tied him up and took him to his.
So you're in their camp right now? About to be sex slave?
Is this nigga serious?
No, I killed their boss.
What?
What?
I killed their boss. Boys, this is a nice area.
How did you kill all these people?
I just chopped it. Look, I chopped this guy's head off.
How did you do that?
I dodged and weaved.
Dang, dude.
I got a
I couldn't pick
vodka
up his
bottle.
sickle. Oh, should we make this our base?
Yeah.
Yeah, look
Wait.
at that start.
God. Oh,
He has a radio?
Yeah.
guys. Wait. We left Kelvin.
Oh shit.
Oh no.
But look, we're right by clear water. This is great. Dude, we gotta get some health.
Another one.
Well done.
Oh.
Who's ass?
Yeah, you like that?
Oh. Kelvin.
Yeah. Yeah, that'll teach you. Hey, look, there's a skull on the floor.
Who threw the body in the water?
Guys,
Yo.
grab the skull with a rope and a stick, and you can make a club.
Oh shoot.
Right here, on the floor.
Wait, I want a club.
Here, I got you, Nate.
Oh.
Ooh.
Ew. It's so gross.
Nate, do you have a
How
skull?
much that does a lot
Yeah.
of damage. Oh wait, what?
Crafted club, rope,
Okay.
skull, and a stick.
Let's see.
Oh.
You see what I see?
Oh, I was trying to make that. Shoot. Alright, cool.
Alright.
You don't want to make it taller?
I tried to make it taller.
Yeah. Okay. Alright. You want to keep this tree here, or should we remove this tree?
We'll keep all three of them. That way we can connect it to each other.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Whoa, what is that?
We're gonna make a tree house.
That's sick. That is sick.
Alright, watch out, Kelvin.
Oh!
Kelvin, what are you?
Hey, how do you get planks?
You just
I have no idea.
hold on, let me see. You go from this side. You go from this side of the log, and then
Yeah.
cut. Ow! Ow! I'm low.
I'm giving it a lot. Sorry.
but we can't make it go outwards from there.
Hey, what is this? What did I just build over here?
That holds rocks.
Oh man. Oh Nate, what did I just build? It holds rocks. Oh!
Nate!
Yeah.
Huh?
Do it,
Shut-
do it.
Oh, never mind. That was Kelvin.
You wanna? Oh wait, no. You wanna spread it out? You wanna put it on the other house instead?
Oh,
Or the
sure.
other tree?
Sure.
Like right over here, this one?
Which one?
Monkey!
Ow! Help! Help! I'm scared.
Oh!
Dude, I'm one hit. Who hit me? How do I make a fire?
grab a stick. You gotta equip a stick in your hand.
Okay.
Can we make a cool fire?
Oh yeah, how do I make a big fire?
Oh yeah, let me see.
And then what?
You gotta look down and then press right click.
Reinforced
Okay,
fire.
wait. Do we have? Let's get stones.
Bonfire. No, let's get a bonfire.
Bonfire.
Stick
Okay.
on the ground. Break the log to a plank.
Noah,
Yes.
I figured out how to do it.
Oh, how'd you do that?
Platform.
Watch out. He parried me! I'm
Oh,
dead.
He got you.
Help.
Oh!
Did you die?
Oh, he killed all two.
Okay. Don't worry, guys. We're gonna spawn right next
Oh!
to it. I think.
That guy just got he got a triple kill.
Where's he at? Oh, what's up? What's up? You gonna
I'm
get?
stuck.
Oh God! How do I pull out? I don't have my weapon. I don't have my. How do I dodge? Parry, weave, big. Oh. Big. Grab it. Hurry up and pick it up.
Dude, who is that? A boss?
That's the guy that I killed.
Dodge, big.
I guess he got harder after I killed him.
Nope. Beat him up. I got him. Got you.
Oh my gosh. Dude, we gotta
Jesus.
get some armor, we gotta get like health, we gotta get food, we gotta get everything. Over here on this one.
This one.
Yeah, try.
Okay. Hold on. Let me.
Oh, I'm sorry, no, over here.
Oh, this one. Like this?
Yeah, that's nice. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
Bonfire.
Hello. I can't cook anything. Oh.
Bonfire.
oh.
Why can't I cook anything?
Yeah, why can't I cook either? Oh, I can.
Wait, what? Grab. Wait, it's raw. They just told me it was cooked.
Bonfire.
Oh, I can smack with the. Watch out! Watch out!
Oh!
Just smack him with a leg! You guys wanna sleep? Oh God! Watch out! Guys! Oh!
Damn!
There's all of them! They're coming. Revive!
Run.
Quick revive! Get in the shelter! Whoa!
He's rolling! He's gone.
I can't. I'm getting on.
Guys. Wait, let's go to sleep. Can we?
Yeah.
Nate,
Where?
over here.
I can't see.
I know. Oh,
Bro, let's put that freaking thing up in the tree.
What thing?
I'm gonna drink dirty water.
What happened to my bubble bonfire? Someone broke my bonfire.
There you go.
I just ate someone's leg. I'm sorry. I took it.
Hey, you a big back.
Oh.
Did you say them?
You heard me?
I will throw a Molotov at your treehouse.
That's your tree house.
Throw a Molotov at our treehouse.
What y'all building?
House.
So what would happen if I break down this part of the tree right here? This tree, this middle one.
We're gonna lose all of it.
What happened, Kanoa?
I don't know.
Don't tempt me, alright? Oh, I have a butterfly, I'm gonna hatch it. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Yes, butterfly.
That's it. Call me that again. I'll break this. Where's Kevin
Guys,
at?
watch out.
Did our house just break?
Did it?
That would have been crazy.
Kevin, what are you doing?
Yeah, what is he doing?
Dude, tell him. Tell him to go get some. Go get some sticks, buddy.
Get some sticks and drop it here.
It's a bird. Oh man, fast. Too fast. Too furious. I'm too fast. Too furious.
I think we have a lot of passengers like.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
So now we gotta connect it.
I'm strong.
Hard work is out.
Well, that was easy.
Let's see.
It works. Hey, that's pretty sick. Oh.
You know what we could do though? Hold on. Ah!
Ow.
Hey, I just threw a rock, not a hatchet. It's a little rock. Hurt you?
There's a little stick too. You wanna see? You wanna see this?
Ow. You little Come here.
Oh, whoa! It's a big rock. It's a little pebble. Do it. Just... Oh!
Wait. Wait.
Come here, Kelvin.
I can eat this? What is this? Hey! What's up? Drinking water. Curb stomp.
Keep him there. Keep him right there.
What is that?
Yeah, I'm ready. Oh man. Right in the butt. Where did tits go?
She's dead.
No, just died.
What's up?
I thought that was Nathan that was behind me. It was just some real monkey though.
I got him. I'll get him for you. He's right there.
Get him.
Oh man, they're fast little.
Got this.
No, I'm gonna save this.
Where's you at? What's up? I got him. I got a clean shot. Big. Oh. We eating good tonight, boys.
Good tonight. Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah.
Bro, what was... I heard something. What the hell is... Hey, watch out. Watch out.
Uh-oh.
Kano.
Who is that? A zombie?
I missed.
I got this.
Oh!
Nathan, revive me.
got him.
Help.
I
I'm on
got
fire.
I put him on fire.
Please.
Get him. I got him on fire.
How is he still alive?
Yeah, carry him back to base. We'll do.
Hi, boys.
We'll do unspeakable things.
Whoa. Hey, he got clothes. Rob his shit. This gonna...
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Let's use his head as a trophy.
Oh, sorry.
Wait, this is a furnace? How do we work it?
I think it's only for looks, bro.
No way.
No, I don't think so. Just cut that.
Oh, put sticks in there.
Just cut that. You got a stupid helmet on. Let me cut your neck. His helmet is preventing me from cutting his head off.
Look, I did it.
Oh, my bad. What if I throw money in there? Yeah, yeah. I have a repair tool.
Oh, is that for like our base?
Yep. Yeah. Yep.
Yep.
Yeah, your reflexes are good.
Repair me.
Okay, come here. Hold on.
Repair me.
All right, hold on. Stand still. Okay, move.
I want repair.
Oh man.
Oh.
Cough. Cough. Cough.
Ah.
Cough.
Ah. What? I lost my spear.
Wait, I gotta repair. There you go. Ah, very good. Wait, no, hold on. Wait, let me.
It's okay. I can do. I have some armor.
It seems to me like you have a little welt over there. Let me just. There you go.
Oh, look at this kind of.
Oh.
So we just gotta.
Whoa, what?
Well, I don't want to.
For?
We're if we like place up logs next to each other like this, we can make a defensive wall.
Oh. Yeah.
Look what I look at what I did to this guy right here.
What you did to one guy. Do you see that girl?
What?
You guys see that girl?
Oh. Hello?
What?
Oh wait, she can help us out. She can help us out. Wait, what the fuck?
She should.
Oh!
Kill her. Hey, what if she's trying to lure us?
Holy sh! Keep following her!
I lost my spear.
To the right.
Where? I don't know where she went. She broke this. She had like 4
I have no idea.
Alright, let's go. Guess I'll use the...
I thought I had a club.
Okay, hold on.
Oh yeah, here it is, right here. 3 and 4.
Axe. Oh god.
Lord. Bye, Kano.
Bye.
Oh, graphics. Oh my gosh.
Dude, our voices are echoing.
Yo.
Hello?
Can we get some good stuff in here? Gotta be.
What is this?
Oh, wait.
Oh,
Cloth. Guys, we got some cloth.
got the cloth.
Oh, what is this? Oh,
It
shit.
turns the lights on and off.
Why can't we use this? Oh, we don't have anything for it. Guys, let's go sleep.
Oh, give my health up.
We need to make bandages, but I don't know how to make that. It
What?
got darker. Oh God!
Hey,
Ah!
get in the tree, get in the tree, get in the tree, get in the tree, get in the tree.
Ah! Ah!
Get in the tree, get in the tree.
Ah! I got you, Nate. I got you. Kobe. Kobe. Eat that. Eat that. Eat that rock to your head. How'd that feel? How'd that feel? How'd that feel?
Oh!
Ah! Yes.
Got him.
The bone leader. I don't like these leaves.
Whoa. Me neither. Should we chop that down?
You wanna chop this down?
Should we chop this?
We should.
Alright, either I die or I die.
Oh my God! Watch out, Nate.
What's out, Nathan?
Oh, the furnace! Oh God! The furnace is gone. Oh.
Whoa. What's that noise?
Hey, four-legged girl, four-legged girl, four-legged girl.
Where? There.
Attack her! What do we do? Corner
What
her,
are we
corner her.
supposed to do? Oh. Sneak attack! Come here!
Run right to me! Get her!
Wait!
Oh my god, we got her!
I think she was supposed to be part of our team.
Yeah, she's definitely part of the team now, alright?
I think, like, she'll occasionally approach you as you're building your shelter. Who did that? Help!
Oh shit.
Who
I'm
threw a
sorry.
tree at me?
I can't hear you. Put your walkie out.
Who keeps on doing that?
I'm so sorry.
You fuck.
Dude, he had 2 trees fall on him.
I'm so sorry.
Could we eat her at least?
Yeah, I already did.
We can't do anything with her.
No, watch out!
Oh man, she needs some wood now.